Hello students, in the earlier video we have seen these important formulae cos of a plus b, cos of a minus b and so on, and in this video we are going to see the proofs for this. Using this formulae we are going to derive these results. Now, for the first result we substitute b equal to a plus a, so what do we get? Cos 2a. Now if we replace b by a here, what do we get? Cos a into cos a, that is cos square a, minus sin a into sin a is sin square a. So this is the first result. Now in this result we can substitute sin square a as, we know trigonometric identity, first one, sin square plus cos square is 1, sin square a equal to 1 minus cos square a, and solving this we can get cos square a minus 1 plus cos square a, and that is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. This is the second result. So cos 2a can also be given as 2 cos square a minus 1. Now students, in this identity, if we replace cos square a, in place of cos square a we can also write as 1 minus sin square a, don't give the brackets here, minus sin square a, and this becomes 1 minus 2 times sin square a. This is the third formula. Now students, in this formula itself, the first one, cos square a minus sin square a, what we do is we write this as this upon 1, and that 1 can be replaced by cos square a plus sin square a. Now students, if we divide each term in the numerator as well as denominator, divide complete numerator and denominator by cos square a and check what we get. Each term we have to divide by cos square a. So cos square a upon cos square a is 1. Sin square a upon cos square a will be tan square a upon cos square is 1 plus tan square a. So this is the fourth result for cos 2a. Now let us do this for sin 2a. We have seen sin of a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Replace b by a plus a. So we get sin 2a equal to sin a cos a plus cos a sin a. Now cos a sin a can be written as sin a cos a. So sin a cos a plus sin a cos a becomes 2 times sin a cos a, that is the first result for sin 2a. Now for the second result, let us write this as 2 sin a cos a upon 1. So we can write this as 2 sin a cos a upon 1 can be written as again cos square a plus sin square a. Now to this numerator and denominator, each term we divide by cos square a and we get the next result. Here cos a gets cancelled and the numerator becomes 2 times sin a upon cos a is 2 tan a upon cos square a upon cos square a is 1 and sin square a upon cos square a is tan square a, and so we get this fourth result. Now students, for these two results we can check the earlier formulas. 2 cos square a minus 1 is equal to cos 2a. We take minus 1 on left hand side, it becomes plus 1. So we get 1 plus cos 2a equal to 2 cos square a. The next formula can be obtained from this relation. This minus 2 sin square a goes on left hand side. So what do we get? On the left hand side we get minus 2 sin square a, on left hand side will become 2 times sin square a, and cos 2a on right hand side will become 1 minus cos 2a, and that is the next formula. 1 minus cos 2a is equal to 2 sin square a. Now for this 1 plus sine 2a, this 1 can be written as cos square a plus sine square a, and sine 2a can be written from this formula as plus 2 times sine a cos a. Now this is of the formula of the form a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is cos a plus sine a whole square, which is this result. And similarly 1 minus sine 2a will become cos square a plus sine square a minus 2 sine a cos a, which is again by identity a minus b whole square. We can write cos a minus sine a whole square. So all this formula are derived for you. Now out of these two, I shall derive the first one. The second one I leave it for you. You try it yourself. It will be same as the earlier one. I am solving for sine 3a. Now pay attention. Sine 3a can be written as sine of 2a plus a. Correct? This is sine of a plus b. Sine of a plus b. It's sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. So I can write this as sine 2a cos a plus cos 2a sine a. In the answer I want all terms of sine only, and I don't want 2a over there. So sine 2a can be written as 2 times sine a cos a into cos a. So I can write cos square a and plus cos 2a. Now there are 4 formulae for cos 2a. Which one should we use? Now in this result we want terms of sine only. So we use the formula in terms of sine, that is 1 minus 2 times sine square a into sine a. Now this becomes 2 sine a. Again by identity we replace cos square a by 1 minus sine square a, and we open this bracket, so we get 1 into sine a is plus sine a minus 2 times sine cube a. And if we solve this bracket, we get 2 sine a minus 2 times sine cube a plus sine a minus 2 times sine cube a. Now we see 2 sine a plus sine a gives 3 sine a minus 2 sine cube a minus 2 sine cube a is 4 sine cube a, which is the result. Sine 3a equal to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Students, cos 3a you can derive on yourself. Sine cos 3a will be equal to cos of 2a plus a. Method will be the same. I leave it to you. Thank you for today's video. If you have any queries about this formula, you can contact me on my number given in the description. If you like the video, please press the like button, subscribe it and share it with your friends. They can also get benefited from this. Thank you.